Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, and please leave your comments. First of all, I want to say thank you very much for all the support you have given me these past 7 or 8 months. I really do appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. I know without you I would not have a channel, and I want to thank you. Yesterday morning it looked like we would get an approval on a package sometime yesterday. But that did not happen. We've got an agreement, but not an official approval. If we had got it yesterday, they could have voted on it in the House today. Then sent it over to the Senate for a vote on Friday. Then they could send it on to President Trump and he could sign off on it and sign it into law on Friday as well. But it's never that easy when you get the government involved. Now they're going back and forth about how much to spend on each item. Y'all, this is crazy. But we are still hopeful that we will get it. They will get it all figured out very soon. And now they are also pushing on the fact that they may need to push the stopgap back a few more days so they will have time to get all of these problems ironed out with this package. Y'all, if they had been working as hard as they say they are, I don't understand why is it taking so long. I mean, there's not very many items in this bill. Why is it taking so long? I mean, there's only a handful of items in this bill, but yet it's 600 pages long. It's crazy. And now they are looking at Christmas Eve as when they will get this finally done and voted on and everything. We are still hopeful they can get it done before then, maybe this week. That's a lot to get done in only 2 days, but they all say that they will stay through the weekend and get it done. Let's hope they do. We can only hope that they will get this done. Y'all, let me know in the comments what you think. Will they get it done this weekend, or will it stretch on out till Christmas Eve like some are suggesting? We still don't know for sure, but we believe that the stimulus check in this bill will be between $600 and $700. We still don't know the details of who will get it. It is a lot of YouTubers that are speculating on who will get it and how much it will be. But none of them knows. The lawmakers themselves, the ones that's drawing it up, don't even know yet. So how can a YouTuber know? Y'all, the only thing we know for sure is that a stimulus check will be in this bill. Thank God for that. And even though this is a little stimulus check, $600 to $700, it is just a down payment on a bigger stimulus check and stimulus bill after Joe Biden takes office. We will have to hold him to this promise that he made to the American people. We can't let up until we get it. But now today, what will happen? Will they push the bill through? They say they are working fast. Well, if they was working this fast months ago, it would have been done and behind them by now. But the problem is they never wanted to help the American people in the first place, because it would have made Donald Trump look better in their twisted minds. So see, really to them, we the American people are just pawns in their little game. Right now, it is $300 unemployment boost in this bill for 16 weeks. In this bill is no liability protection, and in this bill is no state and local funding. You know, state and local funding was supposed to be part of that money was supposed to go to vaccine distribution. So I'm hoping they're going to send some money to the states just for this if they took state and local funding out. Pelosi, Schumer, and McConnell all say, let's get this done now and we will live to fight another day for everything else. And I think the group of 100 that pushed them into getting something done and getting a stimulus check back in this bill for the American people, I think they did a very good job. Even though it's only $600 or $700, it is still more than what we would have gotten if the mooch man McConnell got his way about it. We would have got nothing at all. So if you ask me, do I want nothing or do I want $700? I'm going to take the $700 and I'm going to say thank you very much. But now, where's the rest of it? Y'all let me know what you think about the $600 to $700 stimulus check. On the unemployment boost, now this is where it gets crazy. The unemployment boost, now they are looking at not letting people get the stimulus check if they are also getting the unemployment boost. What do you think about that? If they double dip, as in getting both stimulus checks and the unemployment boost, they would then be getting in 1 month $1,800. Everybody else would be getting $600 for a stimulus check one time. This is crazy. I don't believe this will fly at all. But let me know what you think about it. I think it's ridiculous to hold people hostage, if you would, because they're getting unemployment. They lost their jobs because the government closed everything down. It was not their fault. So they are owed this money. And for them to say you either get one or the other, that's ludicrous. Bernie Sanders is all over the place now. Have y'all seen the videos? I mean, he's all over the place. He said the $900 billion package is much too low. He said it should be at least double that amount. I agree with him, but I think that ship has sailed. We won't get a bill that size. He said the current bill is good, but it's not enough. I agree with him there. He went on to say everything that he thinks should be in the bill, and with everything that he said, I'm not going to go into it here, but everything that he said that he thinks should be in the bill, I agree with him 100%. I've never been a Bernie Sanders supporter, but he's making sense. He would also want to see, and he thinks the American people deserves it, and he's really adamant about this. He wants to see the same stimulus checks as we got before. That is $1,200 for each adult and $500 for each dependent. He's been pushing for this forever, and so far it's not happened, and I don't believe it's going to happen this time. I think that ship has done sailed long ago. But it's nice to see someone standing up for the American people, and Bernie Sanders is doing just that. Y'all, I try to keep it down the middle, red, blue, Democrat, Republican, because at the end of the day, we're not Democrats, we're not Republicans, we're not red states, we're not blue states, we're Americans, and we live in American states. We all are brothers and sisters in the United States. It's time we start acting like it. Forget about party lines and just be a good American. I wish they would do away with party lines completely. And I think we'd be much better off if you wouldn't have this party against this party. And man, it's just crazy. You don't know. I mean, right now it is so, our country is so divided. You got to be careful anything you say. I mean, because people's ready to fight over it. I mean, it's ridiculous. But I don't see all of this COVID stuff lasting much longer. We're going to be coming out of that just as soon as people start getting this vaccine. And I mean, I know everybody is not going to get it. A lot of people says they don't want it. For that, I can't understand. But for all the people that does get it, and a lot of people right here in Pensacola are getting it today. They got it yesterday. People's lining up to get it. And just as soon as my situation, they say it's okay for us to get it, I will get it. But for the people that's getting it, that's going to slow the spread so dramatically. And I think we will be getting out of this pretty soon. I hope so anyway. Y'all, keep your faith in Jesus Christ. He's going to see us through anything they throw at us. I mean, He's got the last word in everything. I mean, look at me. I was not supposed to be here. I had stage 4 throat cancer. The doctor had already given up on me and called hospice in. I'm still here. I've been cancer free for 3 years, and it's all because of Jesus Christ. And if He can take care of cancer, He can take care of our government. I have no doubt. Y'all, I love you all. Please watch the video popping up here now. It's mine and my wife's show last night. We do it every night at 9 p.m. We don't talk stimulus. We don't talk government stuff, politics, nothing like that. We just have a lot of crazy, stupid fun. And I'm telling you, it's stupid fun. So if you don't like that kind of stuff, don't come over. But I hope you do, and I hope you like it. I love you all. Ciao.